Navigating the airport vehicle drop-off zone can cause airport stress for anybody. Here is an excellent example of how this simple airport activity can go very wrong. On November 28, 2024, the Broward County Sheriff's Office was called to the scene at the airport for that call.
I just told you to stop the car. I can take your ticket and throw it down.
I am pregnant. You need to stop. You're out of your no. You're assaulting a citizen.
You hurt me.
You're assaulting a citizen.
Why are you doing this to me?
You're assaulting a citizen. I'm recording this.
I'm recording you. Yell at a pregnant woman?
Yeah, he did.
She's the one that got out of the car.
What?
This man just hit me.
You're yelling at us.
When I tell the person to stop their car, he hurt me.
You hit him? What is your
Yeah, you hit me.
I'm going
back up.
Do not touch him. Stop touching people. Stop touching people. Stop touching people.
I'll take you off to jail. You hurt me.
Take me to jail?
Back up. You give your license. Please.
Oh my God.
I'm not giving you anything. Okay. I didn't do anything
Stop
wrong.
touching me.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop.
You back up.
Stop.
Baby, calm down, sir. Calm down, sir. Sir, calm down. What's wrong with you? Step it up. Please stop. Get your hands off me. I don't have any hands on you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. My hands are up. I'll shout you. You. Hey. What did you do? Back up here, fucking go to jail. What are you doing to my father? Back up. Why are you doing this to my dad? What's wrong with you? He's an old man. He's old. Back up. What is your... Back up. Are you sick? Back up or you're going to jail. This man is sick. He's in jail. He's handcuffed too.
Justice for all of us.
Calm down. Calm down.
No, I am calm.
You're not calm because you're testing up.
You're just insulting my pregnant wife.
Calm down.
Calm down. Calm down.
You're gonna get thrown. You're gonna cuss on you.
There's something wrong with him.
This man punched my father in the face.
What is going on? This man. Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. People are sick.
6 months pregnant.
Relax. What are you doing? Stand up. Stand up.
He's bleeding.
Stand up.
He literally punched me in the face.
Hey. Hey.
This man punched my father in the face.
75 rescue.
I need an ambulance. I need an ambulance.
I'm going to fire rescue for adult level unconscious. Hey.
Rescue responder for someone unconscious, 926.
Let him loosen it. He's gonna loosen it.
I'm a massage therapist. I need my hand. I need my hand.
Okay, what is it?
Just take it off.
Yeah, it is. It won't come up.
He literally punched him.
Oh, you're 15ing her?
No, they are.
Oh, okay.
Hey, mommy, you pregnant?
Yes.
Okay.
What are you
You're going to
doing?
jail. Going to arrest.
Why?
Go in the front because you're pregnant.
Why?
Oh, she's pregnant?
Yeah.
Okay.
15, she's pregnant.
What? Why am I getting arrested?
Apparently you gave the cops an issue.
I literally said stop treating him this
That's not
way.
what they're saying. So it's on camera.
Yes, it is all on camera.
Okay, I wasn't there.
Oh, this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
Hold on, but make sure they don't get tight.
A little
Do you
hold
need,
on.
do you need medical? You need to talk to him?
I don't know what's happening right now.
Let
Why
go.
did you take my phone?
Let go,
Wait.
because I have to pat you down. Thank you so much.
Listen to me. Do you need medical? Okay, I'll get you now.
Okay, ma'am, be still. Spread your feet, spread your feet, spread your feet, spread your feet.
That man is
36
ill.
over
That
50
man is
Bravo
ill.
Okay, they got an ambulance coming.
No, I don't want an ambulance. Just arrest me.
You too, you're gonna get checked out because you're pregnant. Okay, do you want to sit down? You want to sit down? You don't want to sit down. Okay. You have her?
You guys aren't doing any better. She's an attorney. You just insulted my father for no reason. No reason. None. That man is sick. You have a sick man right there.
Let's go put him in my coffin now. Let's just stop yelling.
You don't want to make a scene? He just insulted him. He just insulted him.
What am I doing here? What did I do?
I'm gonna sit you up. You wanna sit up? You wanna sit up?
Who are you? You help me?
I'm gonna help you. You wanna sit up?
I don't know. I
sit up
you
against
hurt me bad.
Okay.
I wasn't gonna hurt. I was just upset because
You have a sick man right there.
I just came to pick up my children for Thanksgiving. That's it. As they told me that I'm gonna faint now.
You wanna lay it? Sit up?
Where's my son?
Have a seat in here, sir. This is going to the top, right?
My freaking hand!
Nothing. He did nothing. I came right up there and asked him to stop after he punched my father in the face.
We're trying to
That
figure
man
everything
is
out.
sick.
When we're talking to you,
trying to figure it
we're
out.
talking
What
to
would
you.
you guys- I'm telling
You're
you.
going against
Okay,
all the cop.
okay.
We're trying to figure things out, right? Yelling and screaming and going berserk's not helping anybody. We're trying to help
What would
everybody.
you do? What would you do if you just saw your elderly father get punched in the face? His nose is bleeding
Listen,
right
I'll be
now.
upset too. I'm not gonna tell you no, but you got to come from our angle. We have no idea what's going on.
Yeah,
You're lunging towards the other
I went
officer, so
and
we're trying
asked him to stop after assaulting my father, and I had my hands up, no aggression, and he kept going after him. He kept going after him, then he went after me. With my pregnant wife right there. My pregnant wife standing right next to him. He didn't care. There's something wrong with that man. There is something wrong with that man. He is a mental problem. There is something severely wrong with him. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Anything he says, anything that man says is bullshit. He's in big trouble.
Come on, we gotta breathe again. Gotta breathe. I understand. He's all right. You
How
don't
would
see
you
him.
feel? How would you feel? Honestly,
Ma'am, I
tell
don't
me.
even know what happened. To be quite honest.
That's what I'm saying.
I
We're
don't
the
know what
most
happened.
calm people in the world. All because the woman wanted us to move. My
But
husband was coming with
still
the
need you to
luggage.
breathe. I still need you to breathe. I don't need you to pass out. There you go.
What are the charges?
Ma'am, I've showed up at the end. I don't even know what's going on.
Can you ask somebody?
Sure. Thank you. But I'm gonna get you in the back of the rescue with them so they can check you out as well. That's my first concern. Let me do that first, okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Dad, pray. Pray. Dad, pray. Dad, pray. Dad, pray. Just pray, Dad.
Thank you for showing up. 5 days. I ran from the terminal, okay?
One of these guys.
Ran from the terminal. I ran from the terminal. I did. I swear to God I did. He saw me on the bike. Jokes. You know what? Shut up. I heard it. Yeah, they 10-3 the air.
That's what I hate. And I was like,
No, I was outside during traffic at the curb, and I heard the car come out, so I started walking a little closer. And I heard it, I was like stepping up, I was like, And then I heard you,
that's like my moving at it.
How's my father? Is he okay?
It sounds like
Well,
he
yeah, we
is.
put him, when we got here.
Well, I don't know, I think they just transported him.
Yeah, no, he's got
Yeah, but they told me to cuff her, so I don't have a clue as to what's going on. I don't even know. Hold
say
on.
anything.
Let me talk to my sergeant, because I'm the only one that's in my terminal. So hold on. Where the sergeant went? I just saw him.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.